In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix voice chat and your mic not working on an Xbox Series X or S. Before we dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. But if you're trying to fix your mic or your voice chat just isn't working in general here within Battlefield 6 on an Xbox Series X or S, this video is for you. The first thing that you're going to want to do is from this home menu, go ahead and navigate into your settings and then go into your audio settings. Just make sure, and this one's kind of obvious, that your master volume is turned all the way up, and then scroll down to your voice chat option and ensure that it's enabled. From here, go ahead and make sure that you leave the voice chat position mode on auto, and then make sure you turn the voice chat volume all the way up and leave the next option at 25. This is going to be that voice chat ducking option. You just want to leave this at the default value. From here, go ahead and find your microphone mode and make sure it's on open mic so that your voice is always picked up, and then begin by checking your headset. Just make sure that your mute toggle isn't on your headset and your volume dial is turned up. After confirming that your headset is plugged in securely into your controller or directly into your Xbox, of course. What you could also do is press the Xbox button on your controller if you're still having issues and go into the audio and music settings and just make sure that the headset mic is turned on and adjust the headset volume to your preference through the Xbox itself. You can also set the headset chat mixer to the middle for a more balanced game and voice audio. And I also recommend lowering mic monitoring if your own voice sounds a little too loud in your headset. On top of that, Xbox parties do have this weird setting, so if you are into a party, go into the party settings and just make sure switch to game chat is enabled if you want to use in-game chat instead of party chat. Now, if you're still having issues, I recommend trying a different controller or a different headset to see if it is a hardware issue. But overall, that's everything that should fix your mic and audio issues that you're having. If this video did help you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out here in the channel. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.